The major reason you don't have more of what you want, more health, more money, more power, more influence, more of everything, is simple: neglect. If you don't address neglect, it turns into an infection and eventually becomes a disease. If you're in the habit of not doing what it takes to get ahead, you need to break that habit and replace it with doing all it takes. That's the first benefit of positive reinforcement: building good habits. The second benefit is that positive reinforcement creates the energy to fuel additional achievements. It gives you the drive to not only keep doing what's right, but to do even more of it. When you see that your efforts are paying off, it gives you more energy to keep going. How easy is it to get up in the morning when you know you're not doing everything it takes? It's not easy at all. You can lie there awake thinking, "What's a few more minutes in bed? It won't matter much." But that's wrong. It does matter. Now, how different does it feel to wake up when you know you're doing your best? You feel excited to get going, anxious to make progress toward your dreams. When you're energized and motivated, you might even wake up before the alarm goes off. Success fuels ambition. One success leads to another, and pretty soon, the disciplines that once seemed difficult become a natural part of your philosophy. Here's a key formula for success: a few simple disciplines practiced every day. What should you spend your time doing? Don't waste it on things that don't matter. A few simple habits can change your whole future, financially, professionally, and personally. Conversely, the formula for failure is just as straightforward: errors in judgment repeated daily. A few bad habits, repeated consistently, can spin out of control. Over time, you might find yourself living in a way you never wanted. The danger is that bad habits don't show their effects immediately. It's easy to get faked out. If disaster struck after one bad decision, you'd change course immediately. But bad habits are subtle and accumulate over time. Right now, you have a choice. You can choose what's easy to do or easy not to do. For 6 years, you could focus on not neglecting the easy things you can do, and it could make all the difference. Work hard, make sure your disciplines are in line, and stay consistent. Why don't more people succeed if these things are so easy? Because they're just as easy not to do. That's the difference between success and failure, between daydreams and true ambition. Success doesn't require becoming a millionaire. It's about doing the best you can. If you earn $10,000 a year and that's the best you can do, that's enough. The essence of life is growth, becoming the best version of yourself. Once you get on track, you won't look back. Choose the path where doing what it takes becomes easy because of the rewards and growth it brings. Discipline is the magic word. It's the bridge between thought and accomplishment, between inspiration and value. Failure isn't a sudden event. It's the result of accumulated little failings. Failing to think, act, care, strive, or try day after day. If you neglect to do the small things, it might not seem like a big deal in the moment, but over time, it adds up. On the other hand, success works the same way in reverse. Small wins, repeated daily, create massive success over a lifetime. Discipline unlocks the doors to wealth, happiness, pride, and accomplishment. The first step is awareness, recognizing the need for discipline. The second step is willingness and eagerness to maintain it consistently. And the third step is committing to mastering your daily circumstances. Discipline allows you to feel better about yourself, changes your life direction, and aligns you with your potential. Discipline also attracts opportunity. Ambition, skill, and action come together to create the life you want. Every one of us must suffer one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Discipline weighs ounces, but regret weighs tons. You've got to act promptly. When an idea strikes and the emotion is strong, that's the time to take action. If you wait, the intensity fades, and the opportunity may disappear. By setting up disciplines when you feel inspired, you capture the wisdom and translate it into growth. All disciplines affect each other. Starting even the smallest discipline can inspire you to take on more. Walking around the block might inspire you to eat healthier. Eating healthier might inspire you to read more. Each positive action reinforces the others, creating a snowball effect of growth and success. The key is to diminish bad habits and build good ones, starting a new process of life improvement. Every positive step builds momentum for the next, and soon you'll find yourself living the life you've always wanted. As always, thank you if you have watched this far. Like, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.